Really mean, tough prison ladies said I'm cute and funny, so they invited me to join their prison gang.
And you said yes?
Uh-huh. Gotta pee, gotta pee, gotta pee, gotta pee, gotta pee, gotta pee, gotta pee!
Hurry back!
KK!
She has the bladder of a squirrel.
Cat, buzz me in.
KK!
Cat, it'll be okay. When he gets up here, we'll just explain that... What's happening?
Earthquake! Earthquake!
Okay, everybody down! Cover your head! Cat!
Hi, Mr. Gibbons. Some stuff broke.
I know. I felt the earthquake when I was coming up the stairs. You kids okay?
Yes, sir. I'm Robbie.
I'm so sorry about your guitar and your lamp and your table.
That's all right. It's not your fault.
But
Cat, Mr. Gibbons isn't mad at us because he knows the earthquake caused all this damage.
auditioning for a role.
Here, open. Yeah, that's right. Cat likes cereal. Good, good. Want some more? Want some more? I told you a billion times never to wake me up when I'm sleeping. Cat? Why'd you just throw your drink in the trash?
Because I wasn't thirsty.
But you bought forget it.
Butternut! Just believe it!
You go make friends with the nice lady at the desk.
KK.
With the pretty keys.
KK.
Don't make that face. What are you doing here?
I'll have some corn nuts.
I guess I kinda live here now.
Why are you living in a tiny room in the attic of our school? Okay, but why have you been sleeping here at school?
Cause my parents wanted me to stay with my Uncle Walter and Aunt Pearl, but they're mean.
What's wrong with them?
Everything. They don't like my red hair. They only eat vegetables. They said I can't have unlimited texting, and they won't.
What is going on with you?
Trouble.
Give me your phone.
Okay.